new spot to kayak that I found in Nova Scotia is at Melmerby Beach, and they've got kayak rentals here. And just to give you an idea of how calm the water is here, yes, I'm moving just a little bit, and you can see there's a little bit of motion in the water. Now, behind me, the waves are so big and strong today, August 22nd, 2025, and it's important I mention that date, is that it's the first day in a very long time the beach has been closed to swimming, or for swimming, because of Hurricane Aaron's winds. So really, really severe on that side of it. But again, you can see here, nice and calm. So if you are a beginner or a novice, you don't really kayak a lot, but you want to get out on the water and just experience it, this inner bay here at Melmerby Beach is an excellent place to do it. So I'm not kayaking, one hand's holding the camera, one hand's here. So again, you can see I'm very, very slowly, gently drifting, I'd say like less than a fraction of a kilometer. So again, the water is very, very calm. You can stick right against the shore if you do want to, again, just get a taste of what kayaking is all about, or you've done it a couple times but you're not really doing it often. This is a great way just to kind of reacquaint yourself with kayaking. And it's a beautiful beach too, and the beach stuff is all over there and behind me, but you can also go across if you're a little more experienced and you've got a little more time. Just go all the way across and then go all the way down that way. So my route here, I went down the shore for the first part, and then I went more in the middle in the open waters for the way back. So kayak rentals here are pretty good. They've got a bunch to choose from, and make sure you book online first to get the time slot that you want. And yeah, Melmerby Beach. I feel I'm saying it wrong, so I'll say them both ways to make sure one of them is right. Pretty cool, and a nice way again to get on the water here in Nova Scotia and do some kayaking.